been 24 hours. I put this cream, this is probably about 5 cups, maybe 6 cups of heavy 40% milk fat cream in the oven. I turned the oven on to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, not 350, 320. Put this in there and turn the oven off. It stayed in there for 10 hours and as directed, and then I took it out and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And this is the result. Oh my. It's rather thick and luscious, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
This right here, this is the clotted cream. And boy, that sounds lovely, doesn't it? But this is what they put on their scones.
Scones?
Scones. Man, it's thick. This is what they spread onto their scones or scones or however you want to say it. And this, I believe, since I do have blueberry scones, or biscuits rather, that I believe will be probably the best base for making sauce, like for a quick mushroom sauce or a garlic sauce to go over pieces of protein from fish to lamb chops to heck, hamburger patties. I saute a little bit of mushroom. I put this in the pan. I think that would work wonderfully, but we'll give it a try. This is an experiment. But look how luscious and thick this is. That's so cool. We'll take that to church today. Thank you.
Thanks. While we're leaving, we're gonna go try to ride the horse quick. The farrier's coming later, so the horse won't be available later. So we gotta Yeah, we gotta leave because the farrier's coming. Oh, we gotta ride horses.
They've got to do and they go slower.
Okay.
That's how you do it, huh?
That's how you do it for you.